Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to your Conscious Cooking segment with me, Anuradha. This morning we're taking our inspiration from Italy with the vegetarian spaghetti bolognese. So for our veg spaghetti bolognese, we're going to be using soya mince. And what I have done is I have used a cup of dry soya mince and I have rehydrated it with hot water and some lemon juice, and then I have squeezed it and it is now ready for me to marinate it. And as you know, on our show we're very much into fusion cooking, so I'm adding my own take to our vegetarian bolognese today by marinating our soya mince with some Indian spices. So we're going to be using some dhania powder, coriander powder, some jeera powder, some mixed masala. We're also going to be adding some chili, fresh Kashmiri chili powder, and we're going to add some turmeric powder, which gives it a really nice color. And then we're going to just stir this in, but we're also going to add in some fresh Greek yogurt because that helps with the marinade and it gives it a really nice taste and texture when we're cooking. And we're just going to let this sit for a few minutes so that all those lovely spices and flavors actually mix and blend in. While it's sitting there, let's start with our chancing, and we're going to add a little bit of oil to our pan. We're going to let that pan heat a little bit while we quickly chop up some green pepper. The green pepper is not necessary, but I like adding it to the spaghetti bolognese because it gives a nice crunch to the dish. Right, so to our oil, we'll saute our green pepper, and we will also add some fresh herb like fresh oregano and a few basil leaves. And we let that just mix in, blend in for a bit. And now we're going to mix in our soya mince that we've marinated. And just saute all that together so that you actually cook the spices quite nicely. And the soya mince, which is a little bit bland on its own, takes on all this additional flavor from the spices and the lovely fresh herb. We're also going to add in a little bit of dry Italian herb, and then we're going to season this with some pepper and some salt. And let's just mix that up for a few seconds more, and then we're going to be adding to this. So what I've done with the puree tomato is, again, I've blanched tomato, removed skins, and then blended it, and we're adding that in. Okay, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. So we're ready with our vegetarian bolognese sauce. So let's switch that off and let's get ready to plate with our spaghetti. So we've got a bowl of piping hot spaghetti, and we're going to add our bolognese sauce that we've just prepared. we're going to add in a little bit more of our fresh Italian herb, and we're going to finish it off with some vegetarian Parmesan. And there you have our take, vegetarian spaghetti bolognese.